I'm going to teach you how to use the color sensor. Now, once you got the color sensor mounted on your robot and connected to port 2, you notice your robot is on a white surface, okay? And you notice that the white surface has a maximum value of 100. That's the reflected light intensity. That's the maximum value you could possibly get, okay? As the surface gets darker, you're going to have less reflected light. Or if you have less light in the room, that's also going to be a factor as well. So you're going to have some value less than 100. So we can program our robot to move forward until it detects a value less than a certain number, okay? A certain number less than 100, okay? The darker the line, the lower the number. Now, I want you to notice this, the value of the sensor while it's sitting on the white surface is 100. But I'm going to move my robot over and put it on the floor next to my white surface, and notice how that value now changes. It's down to 20.97. So when it's sitting on a darker surface, the value is going to change. And we can program the robot to stop or do certain other activities depending on the value that it's receiving from the color sensor. Okay? Now I'm going to help you to write a very simple program to get our robot to move forward until it crosses a certain line, and then it's going to stop on that line. Okay, so to get our robot to move forward, I need to use a move tank block. I'm going to set my speed down to be a little bit slower because I don't want the robot to be moving so fast that it might miss the line. I'm going to set my move tank block just to on because I don't know how far away this line is. Okay. Now the next thing is I need a weight block. I'm going to go to the flow control, the gold blocks. I'm going to grab a weight block here because I need weight blocks to read my sensors. I'm going to set this on the color sensor, and I want it to compare the reflected light intensity. Okay, now if you notice here, 4 means less than. You notice the different values: equal, not equal, greater than, or equal, less than, or equal to. I'm going to set it so when the value is less than a particular number, okay, I'm going to choose something a little bit dark. So I'm going to go with 25. Something that's less than, well, say 30. Then the robot is going to go forward. The color sensor is going to wait till it's getting a value of less than 30, and then it will stop the robot. Let's see if this works. Yes, the robot stopped on the black line. So we are successful.